Hi guys! So for today's video, we're going to see our manager for our facial. So we're going to vlog. For the rest of our life, we need to vlog this kind of. Hey! Hey dude! What's going on? Look! Our manager is doing a facial treatment. That's we call facial Waka Waka. This is a new facial from MJ Skincare. Facial Waka Waka. Yeah, a facial made by our manager, Miss Cherilyn Kawakawa. Look how serious Miss Waka Waka Kawakawa.
Pag may butas, yeah, meron yan mo. Sige, hindi na.
Ah, Jesus! Oh no.
Ito. Meron yan mo. Sige. Ayan.
Ala, Jesus!
Oh my God.
Gawin gusto ko yung...
Nanganak na, babae o lalaki? So, let's move closer.
Meron today.
Meron yan, ma'am.
Takot ako tayo, baka tumangsik sa mata ko ha.
Hindi, ma'am.
Hindi ba?
Oo nga, minsan nasushoot sa bunga kapag salita ka ng salita.
Hindi naman.
I'm so happy. I'm so tired of being, I'm always pretty. Every day you wake up, you face like this. Oh my God. I'm so tired of being pretty, being beautiful. And a lot of boys didn't like me because, I'm so very cute, 100%. So thank you for watching. Bye.